Hello sir, how are you? I hope you are fine. In this video, I am going to show you the result of testing the code, which able to receive data as required. So Rx and Tx, you are then paint this data to Google Sheet. Okay, here's the code. And this is the serial monitor, and this is the sheet. Okay, now I am going to send 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files into dot it is painted. Okay, another test 676767 dot 8989 enter dot it is bent 67676789. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you all find this fine. Goodbye. Okay, this done by using ESP32, not ESP8266. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you find it fine. Thanks. Goodbye.